Hi guys, I'm Shaz Tech and welcome back to another video. Today Ice Universe put out a tweet on Twitter confirming that the Galaxy S10 will indeed have a new night mode in a major update at the end of April. As well as this, it will also have improved HDR and photo resolution, a pocket mode, touch optimization and much more features at the end of April in a major update. This means that the Galaxy S10 will get a new night mode which will go on par with the Google Pixel and the Huawei cameras. Currently, the Galaxy S10 has a night mode that is controlled by software optimization and not by the user themselves. With this, the user can control a new night mode and it will be added onto the features of the camera. However, with this update, it does not mention anything to do with the 25 watts fast charging that the Galaxy S10 could be capable of. We'll have to wait a bit longer to see whether Samsung will provide that update, but in the meantime, it's great news that the Galaxy S10 will have a major update coming soon that will not only improve the camera drastically, but it will also improve the user stability. Consider subscribing for more tech news. I've been Shaz Tech and I'll see you guys in the next one.